Matusadonha National Park is a sanctuary for wildlife enthusiasts and nature lovers. And today I just want to bring to you an extraordinary accident of an unexpected encounter that is still fresh in my mind and serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of coexisting with the incredible creatures that call this place home, and in particular, this bull elephant. So it was early one morning, and we were just lounging around the campsite at Tashinga Camp in Matusadona with fellow campers, minding our own business, just chilling under the shade, drinking our morning coffee, and just taking in the beautiful surroundings of Lake Kariba, the elephants and animals drinking water, the hippos in the water, and all that. But little did we know that a simple mistake would lead to an unforgettable and potential dangerous encounter. So, this particular bull elephant made its way to this car, and what we learned is that the owners of the vehicle left vegetable leftovers on top of the roof rack of their vehicle. So this bull elephant must have got wind of the aroma of the vegetable, so it was making its way to investigate and also try to retrieve this vegetables. So a panic actually ensued as campers realized the danger that they were in, and desperate to protect their property and themselves, they tried to shoo away the elephant, but their efforts only seemed to further provoke the massive creature. You see, this bull was intent of retrieving these vegetables, and in the process damaged the awning of the vehicle.
Maybe to tell the rangers.
But after some time, some
That's
experienced
it.
naturalist and game rangers arrived, and they managed to shoo the animal away. But what is the lesson that we can learn from this? It is crucial to remember that we are visitors in this natural homestead of wild animals. And by properly storing our garbage, we can minimize the risk of attracting wildlife and ensure a safer and more harmonious experience for everyone.
still safe. Eh?
That would be great, but I just don't know what the interest is. No? We're talking about it. People that's not go there.
Thanks, Stefan.